today. I just wanted to speak about how proud and happy we are to be here at TICE this year, 2023. One of our big commitments we've made this year is our commitment to automation and helping our customers produce better product at higher quality and more efficiently to save them and their customers money. And one of those things this year that we really presented is our TMS software that's worked inside our ZOLLER and our automation package.
We're launching TMS for the stone industry because for years we've been developing our CNC program. This is the way to manage your tools, cradle to grave, track tool maintenance and tool measuring, and associate costs to really drive down your overall delivered manufacturer costs. We had over 50 customers come to our 3 demonstrations that we presented, and we had a ton of personalized one-on-one demonstrations as well.
I just saw the TMS demo at the GranQuartz booth down at TICE. What I was most excited about was finally a software that pulled all of the data off of my CNC tooling into one place, a place that I could track both the footages and the linear footage those tools are running, what kind of life I'm getting, at what point am I EDMing, and when are my operators remeasuring and resetting those tools. And I'm excited to be able to fill that with real information instead of gut feels and what my operators tell me.
We were pulling the data out ourselves using Excel, and now we have those tools where we can actually see how far have they run, and we can proactively switch over before they reach that 500 point. I'm not waiting on the machine to tell me. I've got the data coming out of the machine to the ZOLLER saying, hey, go get that set of tools and switch them. If you're looking for a guy to supply tools and you're looking for a measurement machine, GranQuartz is a great company to work with.
If you're interested at all in learning more about TMS, we're going to be telling you guys how to contact our technical service team and your local sales team to get you a further follow-up and a further demonstration if you like.